In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set coming soon on Big Cartel. If you're preparing a product launch or teasing a new drop, the coming soon status is a simple way to show your item on your storefront without letting customers purchase it just yet. It keeps excitement high while you finish final details. Start by heading to bigcartel.com and signing in so you're taken to your dashboard. From here, look toward the main navigation and select products. This is where all of your items live, and it's the place you'll edit the settings that control how each product appears to shoppers. Next, open the product you want to mark as coming soon. Click directly on its name or thumbnail to enter the product editor. This page is where you manage everything for that item, including its title, description, price, images, and visibility settings. Once you're in the product editor, find the status area. Depending on your screen size and theme, it's typically near the top or along the right side, grouped with other product visibility options. The status determines whether the item is visible and purchasable in your store. Click the drop-down menu within the status section. You'll see options that usually include active, hidden, and coming soon. Select coming soon. In some interfaces, it may appear with an underscore or slightly different capitalization, but the effect is the same. The product will be visible to customers with a clear coming soon label, and the add to cart button will be disabled until you change the status later. After choosing coming soon, make sure to save your changes. Look for the save button, typically at the top or bottom of the editor, and click it once. Waiting for the confirmation or brief spinner is a good idea so you know the update has applied. That's all it takes to set a product as coming soon. A few quick pointers to make the most of it. Consider updating your product description with a short note like launching soon or an estimated time frame so customers know what to expect. Double check your photos, price, and options now. While the product is not purchasable, so launch day is smooth. If you plan to switch the item to active later, you'll return to the same status dropdown and change it when you're ready. You can repeat this process for any other products you want to tease ahead of release. Using coming soon is a clean, built-in way to build anticipation without juggling extra settings or apps, and it keeps your storefront professional and consistent as you gear up for launch.